Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download drivers for HP hardware using HP Support Assistant. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type HP Support Assistant in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official HP Support Assistant link. Once on the page, look for the download option. Click the download button to save the installer to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open HP Support Assistant from your desktop or Start menu. The application will automatically check for updates. If prompted, click on Install Updates to ensure you have the latest features. Once updates are completed, navigate to the My Devices section. Select your HP hardware from the list displayed. Click on the Updates tab to view available driver updates. Select the drivers you wish to download. Click on the Download button next to each driver. Once downloaded, click on the Notifications area to access the files. Follow the installation instructions for each driver you downloaded. After installation, restart your computer if prompted. Check back in HP Support Assistant to ensure all drivers are up to date. With your drivers installed, your HP hardware will function optimally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.